Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 36. Unit number 3. The naming of cats is the name of the poem we are discussing these days. Open your books at page 40. You will be happy that there will be no written homework for you today. All today's lecture is book work. We'll start with part A. Part A is understanding the poem. This is the part actually we started in the previous lecture. Today's lecture is the continuation of the previous lecture. Question number 2 of part A. Question number 2 is answer the following questions with reference to the context. Here comes the question. A. It has actually two parts. This is A, all of them sensible everyday name. This is the verse taken from the poem The Naming of Cats, and here are three questions that has been taken from this very verse, and we are to answer these questions. Number 1, what are some of these names? You know, the poet enumerated a lot of names in this poem, and we are to tell some of them. Here comes the names. Peter, Augustus, Alonzo, James, Victor, Jonathan, George, Bill Bailey, Plato, Admetus, Electra, or Demeter. These are some of the names that have been mentioned by the poet in the poem. Number 2, when are these names used? They are used daily because they are ordinary commonplace names. That's why they are used daily. Question 3. Are there any other names by which a cat might be called? How are they different from these names? A cat can also have a particular name and a singular name. The particular name is unique to each cat, and the singular name will only ever be known by the cat it belongs to. Here comes part B. Part B is, but above and beyond there is still one name left over. Here are three questions. Number 1, above and beyond what? Above and beyond the everyday name and the particular name. Number 2, what is the name left over? The singular name is left over. Question number 3, how does a cat show it is thinking about his name? By being in profound meditation. By being in profound meditation. Profound meditation means deep thinking. As he was thinking very deeply, thinking over his name. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. As I told you in the beginning, today's lecture is all book work. You will write this reference to the context in your textbooks only. But I would advise you learn it by heart as well. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself. Thank you very much.